make sure to like and smash that subscribe button.
We getting all hell at Live Oak, just south of Jasper in Florida. We headed down here to the Buzzzzy Bee restaurant. No, truck stop. Everybody talks about stopping in the Buzzzzy Bee. So we're going to go down there and see what it's like. We stopped one time before. I think it was sort of like a Junior Buc-ee's. What I thought it was a Junior Buc-ee's. I'm going to have to wait on that red light down there.
Look at that little thing they got right there, camper line.
Where?
In line getting gas.
This is the Buzzzzy Bee. Where'd it say RV parking? This way?
I hadn't seen it say that.
This used to be the Penn Oil fuel stop, truck stop. There it is, baby. That's a teardrop.
Buzzzzy.
Crazy teardrop. What's she doing?
I'm supposed to tell you something, Tom. Oh, he wants to back out.
Apparently I wasn't finished when I was in here before. They have real nice showers here. They're $8, but you gotta have a CDL license. She says they're only for truck drivers. Hey, I'm driving a truck. I got CDL. Real nice shower. I would try it here. And the Buzzzzy Bee is hiring. Massive recommended. Remember, you in Florida. We're the Buzzzzy Bee. They got all the kind of junk you want here in the Buzzzzy Bee. I'm gonna go back in and get Mama a donut. See what kind of donuts they got. Get Mama a donut. I just went to pull out, close my door, and I did one of my all-time safety checks. I do it all the time. Looked over at that mirror, that spotter mirror, and my step was out. So I just walked back there, opened the door, stepped on the step, closed the door, and in she comes. She closed right up. She closed right up. I will in just a minute. It closed right up. So always check that spotter mirror for your step out over there. It saves you a big headache sometimes if you do that. There's our radio. Big Bo!
CD player.
CD player. We love to listen to gospel music. We got our music of choice on going right now. But that's gospel music playing and we got that gospel on. That's our new Bose radio. Good speaker. Hey, we headed south, run into a little rain. Got some parking. Places available down here at the rest area. Got a little truck stop here, 278. What did we pay for it back there at the Murphy's Express? 261, something like that. So you can hunt them Murphy's Express, they're usually cheaper than anything else. We try to hit those. We're gonna join the Circle K club though. Circle K is all over the United States. And there, if you belong to their group, they give you about 10% off. So we're thinking about joining the Circle K group. Get that 10 cents a gallon off. It'll help. Yeah, a little bit of help. Old truck, old rest area. Got a few people out there resting. There's Amazon, USA truck and Yups is out there. Got them all on the other side of the road too. We're getting into a little heavier rain. Pretty nice. Nice and cool. We ain't having to run no air conditioning. We really ain't run the generator much since we've been on this trip. I got all geared up for hot weather in Florida, and we ain't using it that much. We got rain coming down. I like driving in the rain.
Okay. Hope nobody's hurt. There's a wreck. It's raining. I-75. I told Papa to get off the road, but he didn't listen to me. He likes driving in the rain. Weird. We'll tell you more later. Hope and pray it's not bad.
Hear the sound of that pitter patter on the roof. Woo! That makes your eyes heavy. Makes you want to lay down. Enjoy life. Rain coming down on the roof.
Black Beauty's getting a wash.
Getting a rinse off. Hey, sounds good, don't it?
Rain makes things grow.
Yep. 75 parking lot.
I don't know if you can see that sign or not. I got it up there, but I don't think it's. There it is right there. It's right there.
You draw it in like that. See?
Yeah.
Just put your hand on this stuff.
Yeah,
Right
I
here,
know.
move it back and forth. Get the telescopes in and out. She was showing you the car out there to the field. When I went by, there's a car sitting right here. Side of me, looked like one car had rear-ended the other car. And the other car was facing back in the opposite direction. And that car was off out there in the field. Hey, somebody did a good pit maneuver on both of them. Looked bad, but we didn't really see nobody hurt though. We off down here in Gainesville. Now those are planted palms, but these over here on the right, them ain't planted palms. We in palm tree country down here. We fitting to go across Payne's Prairie right here. We in palm tree country down here. There ain't so many palm trees up there where we live, but this is palm tree country. We're at Payne's Prairie right there. I don't know if you can see that sign. Payne's Prairie. There it is right there. Payne's Prairie, next 2 miles. Normally all that's covered with water. It's dry ground almost now. You see all them old gators and everything out there. They're looking like dry ground. Can't believe that.
We've seen alligators out there, haven't we?
Oh yeah. And they're about dried up. Must be dry season, guys. We pray we'll see you in the rapture.